morning, National Dayers. It's Mrs. Erickson. Today is Tuesday, September 14th. Happy National Ants on a Log Day.
The second Tuesday in September each year celebrates National Ants on a Log Day. This day recognizes this iconic and healthy food snack enjoyed by millions of people across the USA and around the world. We make this delicious snack by spreading peanut butter on celery and placing raisins on top. The snack name was first used in the 1950s. The typical peanut butter version of Ants on a Log is recommended as a healthy snack. How healthy is it? Well, raisins add a little sweetness while providing vitamin C, selenium, and zinc. Peanut butter is an excellent source of protein, and crispy celery is low in calories. But that's not all. In celery, you'll also find fiber, folate, potassium, and vitamin K. We encourage healthy snacking using one of the most iconic treats that both old and new generations enjoy today.
Today's shout out goes out to Ms. Cole and her entire 4th grade class at Monarch K-8 in Louisville, Colorado. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate the support. I hope you enjoyed your shout out. Teachers, if you would like to get a shout out for your class, send an email nationaldaywithmrse@gmail.com.
Today is also National Parents' Day Off, National Cream-Filled Donut Day, National Eat a Hoagie Day, National Live Creative Day, and National Virginia Day. Time for another 4-ingredient recipe, Ants on a Log. Let's start with the ingredients. You need celery, peanut butter, raisins, or if you don't like raisins, you can use chocolate chips. First things first, make sure to wash that celery. I already washed mine. Now open up that peanut butter and start spreading it on the celery. Next comes the ants, or in this case, the raisins. And if you don't like raisins, just repeat the process and use chocolate chips instead. An alternative to peanut butter, if you can't have peanut butter or you don't like peanut butter, is cream cheese. So we use cream cheese and black olives in my family. And there you have it, 3 variations of Ants on a Log.
4 ingredients, plus 2, but I won't tell if you won't. National Dayers, join me today in wishing my daughter Glory a very happy 16th birthday. Happy birthday, Glory. I hope you all have a terrific Tuesday. Enjoy some Ants on a Log, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.